Are you ready to save time and supercharge your workflow? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Salesforce with Zapier in just a few simple steps. By the end of this guide, you'll be automating tasks effortlessly and boosting your productivity like a pro. First, head over to the Zapier website. Don't worry, I'll guide you through every step so it's smooth sailing. Once you're there, click the login button at the top right. If you haven't created an account yet, use your Google account for a quick login. Once logged in, you'll land on your personal homepage. Your next step is to create a new workflow, what Zapier calls a zap. Click the Create button, then select Zaps. A zap is basically an automated connection between apps that triggers actions whenever something happens. For this tutorial, we're going to connect Salesforce with Gmail. First, we set up the trigger, the event that kicks off your zap. Click on Trigger, type Salesforce in the search bar, and select it. Then choose New Record as the trigger event. This means every time a new record is created in Salesforce, your zap will spring into action. Next, connect your Salesforce account. Click Sign In and authorize Zapier to access your Salesforce data. Once connected, it's a good idea to click Test to make sure everything is working perfectly. Now it's time to define the action, what happens when the trigger occurs. Click Action and select Gmail from the list. Then choose Send Email as the action event. Fill in all the required fields, including the recipient's email and your message. Run a quick test to ensure the automation works as expected. If the test is successful, click Publish to activate your Zap. And just like that, every time a new record is added in Salesforce, an email will automatically be sent through Gmail, saving you time and keeping your communications seamless. Integrating Salesforce with Zapier is that simple. With this automation in place, you can focus on what really matters while Zapier handles the repetitive tasks for you. Thanks for watching, and here's to smarter, faster workflows. Happy automating!